Acted on a tip of a joint security team raided the residence of Uttam Dey in the Mantala area under the Sidhai Police Station jurisdiction within the Simna Assembly constituency. The operation led to the seizure of a pistol, 15 rounds of ammunition and 41 kg of dry cannabis, resulting in the immediate arrest of the homeowner. Mohanpur SDPO Ashish Dasgupta confirmed that the accused will be produced before the district court today, Saturday. In a successful joint operation led by Mohanpur Sub-Divisional Police Officer Ashish Dasgupta, law enforcement agencies raided a residence in the Mantala area of the Simna Assembly constituency under the jurisdiction of the Sidhai Police Station. Acting on a tip off, authorities executed the raid yesterday, resulting in the seizure of a pistol, 15 rounds of ammunition and 41 kg of dry cannabis. The homeowner, identified as drug trader Uttam Dey, was apprehended at the scene. The accused was produced before the district court today.
গতকাল রাতে একটা গোপন সংবাদের ভিত্তিতে এসটিএফ প্লেনকপ পুলিশ পার্সোনাল সিধাই থানা সিআরপিএফ টিএসআর পার্সন সিধাই থানাধীন সিমনা অঞ্চলের মন্তলা এরিয়াতে একটি বাড়িতে রেড করে রেডের সময় 41 কেজি গাঁজা পাওয়া যায় এবং একটা পিস্তল এবং 15 রাউন্ড গুলি পাওয়া যায়।
The recovery of the firearm from the residence has triggered widespread public concern. Meanwhile, the police are conducting a thorough investigation to identify all suspects involved in the case. Reported by Raju from Sidhai, Chini, Khorang.